Tequila is one of the most brilliant marketing plans I have ever seen. I mean, think about it. There's Margarita Monday, Tequila Tuesday, Tequila Thursday, and then it's the weekend. I'm practically drinking tequila every single night of the week. Welcome back to another episode of Bar School. I'm your host, Beau Robinson. The Margarita was the most popular drink in the United States last year, and according to National Geographic, it made up for 18% of all mixed drink sales. No wonder everybody wants to stake claims to this drink. Margarita Sammys was a Dallas socialite who owned a home in Acapulco and claimed she made the margarita while throwing a party. Then there was Rita Hayworth and Peggy Lee and Danny Herrera who made the drink for Marjorie King back in 1938. All of these have two things in common, a pretty lady and a salty beverage. But according to cocktail historian David Wondrich, the margarita evolved from a drink known as the Daisy, specifically the Tequila Daisy, which was tequila, an orange liqueur, lime juice, and a splash of soda water over shaved ice. Someone decided to throw salt around the rim and called it a margarita. Here's how we make it today. And Siempre Tequila has been kind enough to loan us a bottle. For a margarita, we want to salt the rim of the glass. So you start out by grabbing your glass and taking a lime and moving it around the rim like so. Dip in your salt, give it a twist, and pull it out. After you salt your rim, add ice. Then you want to grab your tins. You want to throw ice in that as well. Use 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila, 3/4 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of Agave, and 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Shake these ingredients. And I've seen this cocktail made a bunch of different ways. I've seen people dump it in, I've seen people double strain it. My preference is to double strain it right into the glass. Lastly, garnish this with a lime. And that's how you make the margarita. And if somebody asks for a skinny margarita, just X-nay on the Agave. And if somebody wants a Cadillac margarita, reach across the bar, shake their hand, and then top this baby off with some Grand Marnier. Hey, thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Bar School. I'm your host, Beau Robinson, and do me a favor, just subscribe already. Thanks, guys.